Oh God, she's calling me again. Yes, daughter. Uh-huh. Oh my God. You called to tell me this? That you're officially in Draco TikTok. Okay. Uh-huh, Slytherin. Uh-huh. Listen, I'm trying to find the will to care, but I don't. I don't know why I don't care. Maybe it's because I don't know who Draco Malfoy is. Maybe it's because he's Slytherin and I'm Ravenclaw. Maybe it's Maybelline. I don't know. Hi guys, I'm gonna absolutely 100% without a doubt spare you guys from an intro today. Look what I got at Dollar Tree. I picked up some more of these like foam pumpkins. I'm planning on doing some DIYs. I picked some other ones up in a previous haul, but they're both gonna be some different, like used for different DIYs. So these were on my list to get. They're gonna be a Halloween version, so that will be coming soon. I am picking at random today. I found this Lysol, the bowl cleaner. Sometimes in the brand name of the bowl cleaner, it's kind of hard to find. It's like a hit and miss. Sometimes they're there. I mean, obviously because it's a name brand, so they're probably not shuffled, you know, into Dollar Tree on a normal schedule. So I did finally find this one. I mean, it's a smaller size. You're probably gonna get a better deal buying in a bigger size, like at Walmart or Target, but I was there and I decided to pick it up. It is the lavender. Then, because I needed to do a refill and a restock, I picked up more of these nail guard sponges. Assuming they call it that because you're able to kind of grip on the inside here. You can kind of see where those indents are. So I'm guessing it's supposed to just like protect your nail. But Vanessa, the lady I keep talking about, oh my God, it's getting out of control. I mention her in every video now, but I cannot help it. But she uses these when she does like a restocking for all of her clients. I'm gonna show you a couple of little items that you're gonna see in an upcoming DIY, but I got this black wire basket. Just pretty simple. I've hauled these a ton of times before. I actually have the bigger ones and I use them as actual trash cans. One is in my office right now. They're obviously a little bit bigger, but I picked this size specifically for a DIY that I have in mind. Plus I picked another one of these tea light holders. These are actually pretty amazing on their own without any sort of DIY. But these are getting a lot harder to find at my Dollar Tree. I don't know if that's the case in your stores or not, but the candlestick holders and then these tea light holders are pretty much almost non-existent. Hopefully a new like batch comes in, but I also got this for a DIY. So, oh, and just to kind of continue on like where my mind was going, which I clearly didn't just share there, but just having tea lights in these and like maybe stacking them around like the bathtub, that would be a really nice fall cozy, you know, take a nice hot bath. I think this would be a really beautiful setup. Okay. I picked up another one of these poster sticker letters in the black. I just needed to get another set because I'm hoping that I'm going to use this in a DIY as well. So got that. And then I found a new book. I hope I don't have this one. I buy so many cookbooks lately that you know my memory. You already know what I'm going to say. But this one is Simple Sweets. And as I was flipping through it, I definitely felt like this one was not in my collection videos, which if you're new, I did a bunch of videos showing you guys all of my like Dollar Tree cookbook or just books in general collection. Another item, what? This little DIY wood sign, and it's funny because Dollar Tree even says DIY on there. They know what's going on. They watch all the stuff but don't sponsor anybody. And anyways, this is a really cute sign. You've got the tree in the back of the truck and there's a lot of different little pop-up elements there. So obviously I'm gonna DIY this some way, somehow. for Christmas. And then I got these little succulent plants. This is also gonna be for an upcoming DIY. I think you guys are gonna love it. It's a concept that I've been teasing it here and there. I meant to do it last year, but I didn't get around to it, so it's gonna happen this year. And then I found these LED wire lights with the Christmas trees. I think I have these, but they put out these new ones that have the red truck, but it was empty. I couldn't find the red trucks at all, so I don't know if my store just didn't put them out or if they were already picked over by the time I got there. These are amazing for care packages because they don't have to plug into anything. You just add batteries to the battery pack, and then it's a cute way to decorate the box. So I definitely love grabbing these little box lights for that reason. Okay, then I got some more Halloween buckets. I feel like I haven't purchased these before. I know I got some other ones. Watch these be the exact same ones that I got not too long ago. But I feel like this shape is different. This says Happy Haunting. Love that one. I think this black one is definitely my favorite. And then we get an orange one that says Trick or Treat. That's a really interesting ribbon font that they're using. And this one says Come in for a Spell. Absolutely on fire with their font. It's very witchy, and I love that they did stars. I'm reevaluating myself. The purple one wins hands down for me. So that one's really awesome. Okay, next up I found a jackpot of tea lights, wax melts, and more candles. In a recent video, I showed you guys a candle that looked very similar to this. The wax was red and it was called Harvest and Hayrides. As a matter of fact, it's burning right now in my guest bathroom and I could smell it in my office, in the entryway. It's doing a really good job for such a small candle. Then I went to another store and found that there was more to the collection. This one, the name of this one is hilarious. I just noticed it. Rake, Pile, and Leap. I mean, shout out to Dollar Tree for coming up with such a unique name. Love it. I love the photo there. Such a cute candle. I love the color of the wax. And then this one is just pumpkin spice. So just a very classic fall phrase here. Gorgeous lid and then awesome color. So I learned that these also come in a different collection. Now, this I think comes in a collection of 4, which means I'm missing a candle, which if I had to guess, I'm missing toasted marshmallows because I found the entire collection of the matching tea lights. So here's toasted marshmallow, which they did last year. I remember buying that candle and I remember being extremely impressed that it smelled identical as a dupe to the Marshmallow Fireside from Bath & Body Works. So you get 8 tea lights in here. Here is Harvest and Hayrides, the one I mentioned a minute ago. I do have that candle, but it's already burning in the guest bathroom. And then here is Rake, Pile, and Leap. That is so hilarious. I honestly did not expect that. And then Pumpkin Spice. Packaging's really cute. I love that we get 8. And then they didn't stop there. They went in for the wax melts as well. It's been a minute, but I'm about to show you a new washi. They had a couple of other ones, but I have to admit, I haven't been gravitating towards washi a lot lately. So I've been kind of like slowing down on that aspect. Don't get me started on stickers though, because stickers I can't ever get enough of. That will never stop. But I found these, or this one. It's new. It's definitely new. It's really cute. It's an interesting little pattern. It kinda is giving me Louis Vuitton feelings, probably because of this little image there. But anyways, it's a really adorable little piece of washi. And the final item, which I think is starting to get a ton of hype, and I only started seeing this hype after I purchased it. It's just kind of like blowing up. but this is the Crafter Square pencil and brush organizer. And just show you guys, and I believe a lot of people, women in particular, are picking this up and using it as a makeup brush holder. So just throwing it out there, they're spray painting it, changing the color, bedazzling it, like that whole thing. I did like this from a actual paint brush perspective because my niece loves painting, so that's where my mind went. But just to let you guys know, in case you don't know, that it's getting really popular, so it might be flying off the shelves pretty quickly, if not already. So there's that. I think I actually flew through today's haul, but I've been working on so many videos today, so that's why I kind of bypassed an intro. Thank you guys also, by the way, for all the nice and sweet comments on every single one of my videos that you watch. I appreciate that so much. It honestly makes doing this worthwhile and you make it incredibly easy for me to do. So I appreciate you. Thank you so much. I recently just put up a Shein haul. I know it's kind of different if you're new from me doing like Dollar Tree videos, but I did a whole fall winter try on. So if you're interested in that, that was my latest video. I'll link it down below. But anyways, that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go, and I'll see you next time. Bye.